I'm gonna be talking in this video. So this is how you make a combat system in Roblox Studio. First you're gonna add a tool, then go to properties and scroll down and disable these. Then get a local script and a normal script and a remote event. Then once you added those, you have to make your own animation. So go to animation editor and get your rig. I've already made an animation, it's a small one. So after you made your animation, press the three dots here, and then you should see this. So in here you can name your animation anything, and then press submit. After that you should go here, and then you're gonna see your ID. Press the button next to it to copy it. And then after copying your ID, we're gonna go here, get out of this, insert an animation. And then you're gonna wanna paste your ID into it. So I'm gonna paste my ID into here. And there. So now let's get scripting. Into the local script you should follow what I do. Now after that you should go into the normal script. So this is the hitbox. You can change the transparency if you want to see it.